Hey guys, how to sign up for Perplexity AI quickly. So first of all, go ahead to the website. No app required. So go ahead to the official website and then locate the sign up option button or sign in at the bottom right. And you can continue with Google or Apple or single sign on SSO or SSO. Sorry, and then just let's have an example. I want to use continue with Google, right? I can use the email sign up or basically the Google, and as you can see, I've already signed up. You can choose your, of course, your Gmail account, and then move forward to log in and confirm, authenticate basically your link to Perplexity. Okay, and then basically customize your account, which is optional. Once logged in, you may have the option to set preferences like topics by clicking right here, your avatar icon at the top. You're gonna be able to see the settings, of course, like a normal account. You have the profile and the API. You have right here to discover, to select which topic that you're interested in, right? And you can see right here spaces where people discuss, right? And upload your documents, and Perplexity will answer detailed questions and collaborate with others. Okay, and start using Perplexity AI after signing up. You're ready to use Perplexity for research, Q&A, or exploring topics. It's designed to be user friendly, so you can start searching and learning in no time. So let's read on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.